afternoon. Music, laughter, summer waiting for the moon. Twilight, my light, stream is all a slumber too. Babies are sleeping, willows weeping, sky so blue. Nothing like a good old river on a sunny afternoon with you. Sitting in an empty-year-old log boat, plucking out a tune or two. We'll sail off to a shady bower, kettle will be boiling soon, while we sport and play the livelong day and sleep beneath the golden moon. I'll find a place so filled with memories, where the waters kiss the shores. When your ma and pa ain't watching, you'll hold my paw in yours. Then we'll have a good old picnic with such nice things to eat, while the babes all go